Here is a simple recipe for chicken seekh kebab. Ingredients: 500 g boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs, minced. Half a cup breadcrumbs. A quarter cup finely chopped onion. A quarter cup finely chopped cilantro. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 egg, lightly beaten, optional. Instructions. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the minced chicken, breadcrumbs, onion, cilantro, garlic, ginger paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well. 2. Add the lemon juice and mix again. 3. If using egg, add it to the mixture and combine well. 4. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. 5. Preheat a grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. 6. Wet your hands and shape the mixture into small cylindrical skewers, about 1/2 inches long and 1 inch thick. 7. Brush the kebabs with oil and grill for 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until cooked through. 8. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or raita. Note: traditionally, seekh kebabs are made with a mixture of lamb and beef, but chicken works well too. You can also bake the kebabs in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 12 to 15 minutes, or until cooked through.